Hi, so today I will be showing you how to use this really cool website called Mendeley. Once you have downloaded the Mendeley pop-up and the little app, go to a PDF that you would like to use. This has already been edited by me, but it will work anyway. In the top right-hand corner of your Windows screen, you should see the Import to Mendeley red button. You click that, and it will automatically import it to Mendeley. Once you go back over to the website, you can see here that I already have 3 PDFs attached. Double-clicking will show you the PDF with any changes you have already made. Now I will show you how I made a reference page. In Google Docs, go over to the References tab, go down, and you can see Insert Citation. When you click, it will ask you to search by the author, title, or year in my library. Simply type in what you are looking for, click OK, and keep selecting as many as you have. Okay, I only have 3, so I'm going to hit OK. And this is what pops up. Now you go over to the Insert Bibliography button, and it will automatically give you a bibliography. You might need to erase a few things, but it should be pretty nicely formatted. Once you have tweaked the font size and the font type and the spacing, you're clear to go.